it flashing? Hey, is it flashing?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go. Are you ready? Are we going down this way?
Yeah.
Alrighty, there's a car coming, so let's go. Hopefully your mom don't find out. We're in some deep crap.
Where are you guys from?
Me telling you.
You guys are tearing the shit out of my farm back here. You guys better stay off.
I've never rode here.
Huh?
I've never rode here.
Well, just stay off my property.
I just got the bike.
Get out of here. Hey, bro, let's get the frick out of here.
Why you gonna throw a bottle at me?
Get out of here. Come on, bro. Get out of here.
What the heck was that about? What was that about?
Huh?
What was that about? Why was he so mad?
Some guy down the street, I guess.
Yeah,
He's chucking that freaking solid water bottle at you.
yeah, why'd he hit me? What did I do?
I don't know, dude.
How are we gonna get back to your house?
I don't know. There's a car coming. We gotta turn
Let's
around.
go, follow me. I guess let's go. I think he's calling the cops. Let's get to your house. Hurry. Do you want to be done riding?
Huh?
Do you want to keep riding or put them up?
Yeah, keep riding that back there.
What the heck was that about? That was stupid. think we should just put them up. Let's just put them up. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Probably never gonna ride here again, so